Well, I have been talking about the pattern that we've been dealing with. We've had this ridge of high pressure, and it's just clockwise circulation. And I've also been watching this low out here on the other side of Baja. Now you can start to see some of the moisture spread into Mexico. It's not the same configuration we had just the other day to get us the winter-like weather, but it's starting to get close. Now the way we shift this high pressure ridge is to put heavier air on top of it and shove it around a little bit. There's a low up here in the Aleutians now that's trying to go over the top of the low. If it gets up on top of it and can suppress it south and back to the west, we can carve out another trough of low pressure. With something like this in place, then there's our mid and high level moisture source, and then we would be able to tap Gulf moisture. Now the reason we didn't get much in the way of snow because the deeper moisture was of course closer to the Gulf Coast, so that's why it all happened south of us. But we'll just watch and see because it's trying to evolve again a little bit. We don't have anything much to show you on satellite radar. It's been a nice quiet day for us, and we're going to be like this most of the week. With the exception of that low out the west, we may have to start adding some mid and high level clouds, but everything quiet for us. The winds have gotten pretty light now, and we have a north wind. We got that little surge this morning, and winds picked up. They're going to die down now with light winds, open skies, down go the temperatures, right down through the 30s, and then tomorrow morning we'll have generally middle 30s. There will be some low 30s, and then as we move through the day, we get a very nice day back in the 60s. We may see a 70 here and there, then we start our cool down tomorrow night, but not as cold as tonight. We'll get down the freeze mark. Again, open skies, light winds, good radiational cooling, so the late night freeze. Then tomorrow, as the winds start to shift, we'll take it up to 68, and again, some areas could hit 70. And then we're going to get us another overnight front on Monday. The temperature, which goes up ahead of that approaching front, drops again a little bit, back to the northwest and west flow, and then we get a late day front on Thursday and do it all over again. But there's things to watch. Chris?
All right, Bill, thanks so much.